Welcome back everyone. DeepSeek has posted yesterday that DeepSeek version 4 Flash is officially public now. We can access it through API. You know that the pricing matter. Most people, the students and devs who don't want to pay for this model or can't pay, for them I brought something very special. We can access this DeepSeek version 4 Flash for free now. As you can see, it is free until August 12. We can use it for free. Get the API key and use it inside OpenCode, KiloCode, Client, or any other OpenAI compatible agent. So let's move now to the benchmark of this version 4 Flash. You can see we compared this with Opus 4.8, GLM 5.2, and the preview model of version 4 Flash and version 4 Pro. You can see the benchmark. It is the terminal bench is 82, JRM 5.2 is 81, and Opus 4.8 is 85. It is already competing with the Claude Opus 4.8 and ahead from GLM 5.2. You can compare other benchmarks also with these top models. So now let's go and get the free API key. So that's it. Okay, you can read all about this. You can move to the documentation of this also, but we will get the free API key. This is the website. After opening this website, now we will create our account. You can see the notification at the start. DeepSeek version 4 Flash is free for use until August 12. Don't skip the video, okay, to understand completely and use it. So let's now press this start building or get an endpoint. Press this button. So that's it. Now we will create our account. Simply just come here where we came, log in to use endpoint. Simply let's log in. So we can continue with GitHub or Google or create our accounts. I will continue with Google. So I have completed the setup. So after completing the setup, now you can see this is our endpoint. This is the API key. Look at, we have this API key. We can copy this API key and simply let's copy this. So let's use this API key inside OpenCode. So I will open OpenCode or let's use KiloCode. I will open VS Code editor. So I will click on this KiloCode icon. After clicking that, we will move to the settings. Now in the settings, come here to the providers. After coming to the providers, here we have popular providers, but we will come here to the custom one. Okay, custom provider. Press this connect button, and here the provider ID, which is InferX. That's it. And display name InferX provider. And provider API OpenAI compatible. For the base URL, let's find the base URL. Simply come here, and here we will find provider DeepSeek, and we will press this DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So after pressing that, simply come here. This is API key and this is the base URL. Let's copy this base URL and we will use it here. Now come here to the API key. Simply come here. This is our API key. Let's copy this also and we will paste that here. Now it will fetch the models. As you can see, we have 12 models, but we will go with DeepSeek version 4 Flash. This one, okay, 0731. This one is the latest DeepSeek version 4 Flash model that we would like to use. So I will deselect all these. Simply I will select this one. Yeah, let's come here. There isn't any other model, that's it. And let's select these, both of these, and come here down and add these two models. After adding these, press submit button. I think there is an error, that is InferX 1. Okay, the provider ID already exists. Okay, it means that already exists. So I will add InferX provider 2. I think I added that once. Yeah, so let's submit it now. Yeah, the connection has been created. Now come here back. We doesn't have any previous one. Token router, I will delete this previous one. The token router, yeah, we have this InferX provider 2. Let's close it and come here to the chart area. So in the chart area here, we will select our model. Let's select this and we will search now for the our own InferX provided to this one. So here we have two models, DeepSeek version 4 Flash and DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0731. This one is the latest one, so I will select this one. And here we can select which mode, like ask, debug, plan. Let's select ask mode. And I would like to ask from this. So let's now start chat here. I will simply write hello and let's check the response. Too many request service failure. Let's wait just a second. So the response delayed, I think that was the reason of too many people are using this model right now because it is free. So hello, how can I help you today? I will simply write which model is this. And let's check now the response. So as you can see that this is DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0731. This is this model which was released yesterday. Let's check the agentic capability of this model. I will simply write here create HTML hello program, and I will check is it able to build a file, create a file or not. We will check how much time it will take this free model. So they just wrote the code. I will ask from them create a file inside this directory. Okay, so it will create now move this code to an HTML file. So it is saying, yeah, you are right. You want to create a file inside this directory, but I am in ask mode and I can't create. So simply we will move to the coding mode and write it now. So as you can see, they created this hello.html file for me. You can see this. Look at hello.html file. So it was about today that we have used InferX API and we tested it inside Kilo code as you saw the responses. And let's go back to this model. This is their website and you can see all details are listed. You can see the API key, the base URL, the model name, and even you can test it. Here they have the playground, you can test it. So it was all about this. 1 million context window. So just enjoy coding with this free API key, DeepSeek version 4 Flash, which has been released recently, and check the capability of this powerful AI model. So it was all about today. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button to motivate me, and it will just reach my video to more people to enjoy free coding using this API. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.